Keeping your floors spotless has never been easier, thanks to the latest Robot Vacuum Mop Combos. These smart cleaning companions don't just suck up dust and debris. They sweep, scrub, and mop hard floors with precision while navigating around furniture, carpets, and obstacles. Packed with intelligent mapping, powerful suction, and automated water control, today's top models deliver a deep clean with minimal effort on your part. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want more free time, a Robot Vacuum Mop Combo can transform your cleaning routine. Now, before we dive in, make sure to use our links. They will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going. Number 6. Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra. The Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra is a flagship robot vacuum and mop combo designed for hands-free, high-performance cleaning, blending extreme suction power with advanced automation and smart home intelligence. Delivering up to 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction, it easily tackles deep carpet debris, while its Hyperstream detangling duo brush rollers actively prevent hair wrap, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. Navigation is handled by Omni-Site Object Recognition, which identifies and avoids over 240 different objects, while VersaLift D2F LiDAR ensures precise multi-level mapping, virtual barriers, and no-go zones. The robot's ProLeap system allows it to cross obstacles up to 80 millimeters high, outperforming most competitors, and dual flex arm technology extends both the side brush and mop pads to reach edges and corners that are typically missed. Mopping performance is equally impressive. The pads automatically lift 10.5 millimeters on carpets, can be left at the base during vacuum-only runs, or swapped at the dock for different cleaning zones. After cleaning, mop pads are thoroughly washed with 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water using 20 spray nozzles, then dried with heated air to prevent odor and bacteria buildup. Everything is supported by the multi-functional power dock, which auto-empties debris into a 3.2L disposable dust bag, lasting up to 100 days, refills water and cleaning solution, dries mop pads and dust bags, and monitors dirty water levels. Smart features include the built-in OK Dreame voice assistant, full Alexa, Siri, and Google Home compatibility, Matter protocol support, and even live video monitoring with pet checkup features. With up to 260 minutes of battery life, intelligent carpet boost, and industry-leading automation, the Matrix 10 Ultra represents one of the most advanced all-in-one robotic cleaning systems available today. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo CurvX. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is a flagship robot vacuum mop combo designed for genuinely hands-free cleaning, blending extreme power with advanced automation to suit busy homes and pet owners alike. Delivering an astonishing 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction, it tackles deep-set carpet debris, fine dust, and stubborn pet hair with ease, aided by a dual anti-tangle system and duo-divide main brush that actively reduces hair wrap. Its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile allows it to glide under sofas, cabinets, and low furniture, while the innovative AdaptiLift chassis raises the entire robot up to 40 millimeters, enabling smooth threshold crossings and confident navigation around furniture legs. Mopping performance is equally advanced, featuring dual-spinning mop pads that automatically lift on carpets and extend to reach edges and corners. Maintenance is almost entirely automated thanks to the Dock 3.0 Thermo Plus, which handles auto dust emptying, 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, heated air drying, auto water refilling, dock self-cleaning, and intelligent dirt detection, all wrapped into a detachable, easy-to-maintain base. Navigation is powered by Retract Sense LiDAR, which retracts under low furniture for a 100 degrees rear field of view and extends for full 360 degrees scans in open areas, while reactive AI obstacle avoidance using structured light and an RGB camera identifies and avoids 108 different object types. Smart mapping supports multi-level maps, virtual barriers, and no-go zones, while voice control via Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Hello Rocky keeps operation effortless. Pet owners will especially value features like live video monitoring, two-way voice, automatic pet detection, and avoidance, making the Qrevo CurvX one of the most intelligent, powerful, and fully automated cleaning robots available today. Number 4. Dreame L50 Ultra. The Dreame L50 Ultra is a flagship robot vacuum and mop engineered for households that require uncompromising cleaning performance, intelligent automation, and superior obstacle handling. Its defining Pro Leap system integrates retractable legs with shock-absorbing mechanics, enabling the robot to climb obstacles up to 2.36 inches and vertical steps up to 1.65 inches, capabilities that allow seamless movement across thresholds and between rooms where most robot vacuums fail. Cleaning performance is equally advanced. The L50 Ultra delivers a powerful 19,500 pascals Vormax suction system, paired with the HyperStream Detangling Duo brush, which efficiently captures fine dust, large debris, and pet hair up to 11.8 inches long, while minimizing tangling and operational noise. Dual flex arm technology extends both the side brush and mop to ensure thorough edge and corner coverage, while triple up tech automatically lifts mop pads on carpets to prevent moisture transfer during vacuuming. Automation is elevated by the Ace Clean Dryboard dock, which washes mop pads using 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, dries them with heated air, and empties debris into a 3.2-liter disposable bag lasting up to 100 days. Navigation relies on spinning LiDAR combined with RGB cameras, 3D structured light, and LED illumination, recognizing up to 180 objects in real time. With multi-level mapping, a 200-minute battery life, pet monitoring, and app and voice control, the Dreame L50 Ultra stands as one of the most autonomous robot cleaners available. Number 3. Eufy E25 Omni. The Eufy E25 Omni is a powerful all-in-one robot vacuum and mop designed for hands-free, deep floor cleaning, combining an impressive 20,000 pascals of turbo suction with Eufy's roller-based hydrojet mopping system to vacuum and mop simultaneously. Unlike traditional drag pad mops, the hydrojet system uses a continuously refreshed roller mop supported by a dual water reservoir and built-in scraper, ensuring dirt is removed rather than smeared across floors. Everything is supported by the advanced Omni Station, which automatically empties debris into a 3L disposable dust bag, good for up to 75 days, washes the mop roller, dries it with heated air, detects dirty water, and even handles automatic detergent refills for true hands-off maintenance. Navigation is handled by spinning LiDAR mapping paired with an RGB camera and LED lighting, allowing the E25 Omni to recognize and avoid up to 200 different objects, while supporting multi-level maps, virtual barriers, and no-mop zones through the app. Cleaning performance is boosted by Duo Spiral Anti-Tangle brushes, an auto-extending corner rover side brush for edge and corner coverage, and carpet boost settings that adapt suction for rugs and carpets up to roughly 1-inch pile, while automatically lifting the mop roller to prevent soaking fabrics. The robot features a 300 milliliters onboard dust bin, a 2.5L clean water tank, and a 1.8L dirty water tank, and it can cross thresholds up to 21 millimeters. Battery life is equally impressive, delivering up to 216 minutes of vacuum-only cleaning or around 110 minutes when vacuuming and mopping together. Overall, the Eufy E25 Omni stands out as a feature-packed premium robot cleaner built for powerful performance, intelligent navigation, and minimal user intervention. Number 2. MOVA P10 Pro Ultra. The MOVA P10 Pro Ultra positions itself as a highly capable mid-range robot vacuum and mop that borrows heavily from flagship designs, delivering premium convenience without the premium price tag. Powered by 13,000 pascals turbocharged suction, it handles fine dust, embedded carpet debris, and pet hair with confidence, while carpet boost settings automatically ramp up power where needed. Navigation is driven by spinning LiDAR with multi-level mapping, allowing accurate room recognition, virtual barriers, and no-go zones across multiple floors. Its all-in-one auto-empty station is a major highlight, automatically emptying the dustbin into a 3.2L disposable bag, refilling clean water, dispensing detergent from a 200 milliliters tank, washing mop pads with hot water, heat-drying them with warm air, and self-cleaning the washboard using a dirty water sensor to maintain hygiene. For mopping, the P10 Pro Ultra intelligently lifts mop pads by 10.5 millimeters on carpets, extends the mop and side brush to reach edges and corners, and crosses thresholds up to 22 millimeters, making it suitable for varied home layouts. Obstacle avoidance is equally impressive, using an RGB camera combined with LED lighting and 3D structured light sensors to recognize and avoid up to 70 different object types, even in low-light conditions. Pet owners benefit from thoughtful extras like live video monitoring, pet checkup features, and strong hair pickup, while control options include app-based management and hands-free Hey MOVA voice commands. With an official battery life of up to 198 minutes, a 300 milliliters onboard dustbin, and a feature set that rivals much more expensive competitors, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra stands out as a smart, well-rounded choice for mixed-floor homes and busy households with pets. Number 1. MOVA S10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The MOVA S10 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo delivers an excellent mix of smart navigation, strong cleaning power, and pet-friendly performance at its price point. Using top-mounted LiDAR, it maps homes accurately and cleans in efficient rows with multi-level mapping support. Its powerful 7,000 Pascal suction excels on both hard floors and carpets, achieving an impressive 90% deep clean score for embedded dirt and pet hair. The S10 automatically boosts suction on carpets and lifts its mop pads by 7 millimeters to avoid wetting rugs, while RoboSwing technology improves edge and corner mopping. With solid obstacle avoidance, app-based controls, voice assistant support, and a long 260-minute battery life, the MOVA S10 is a low-maintenance, well-rounded choice for everyday automated cleaning. That wraps up today's session, everyone. We hope the information shared was useful and gave you valuable insights. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips. Stay safe, stay motivated, and keep moving forward every day.